Welcome this video. Simple landscape idea for the first of your house. Your front yard is the first thing people know about your time house. Whether your property to shall hold to inspire gas or just want to enjoy the property space, a few simple landscape update can make a hub different. You do not need to explain size, make over the professional design, just some simple plants and a big of create some simple landscape idea to enhance the first of your house. Create a welcome part away, a clean atmosphere part away, loading to your front door, invite people in and make your home look more careful. You can have to install about a broad stone work, simple growing or step stone can be the thing. Your clean line, the part which solar lights for add charm at night, simple ground cover plants or flower. The side create the soft welcome feel. Add color with flower bed. Careful flower make the front door look image and welcome. You need now a long gardening bed, a few smart well palette color bed well do choose